Total control of your karaoke in real time. If you want to run a karaoke event in a professional way, fast and without complications, this is the perfect solution. For security reasons, the first step is very simple. You need to log in on the client page, in the venue section. Once you are logged in, go to the organizer page. Now you can create your event. You only need 2 pieces of information: event name and event code. Nothing complicated. In practice, you can use a simple code like 3 numbers and start your event in just a few seconds. Click Create Event and you are ready to go. Now you are in full control. At the top of the screen, you immediately see all the important information: event name, number of people in the queue, and the event code. In addition, you have quick access to essential features, such as refresh, display, change code, and more. Everything is designed to make your event management easier. Adding participants is extremely fast. Just enter first name, last name, and click Add. In just a few seconds, your queue starts to build. Now let's talk about one of the most important features for karaoke organizers. Repeat name in the queue after singing. If a participant wants to sing again, you do not need to type everything again. Just keep this option enabled. When you click Next, the name is automatically moved to the end of the queue. This saves time and makes the event flow much more dynamic. Now let's go to the heart of the system, the main controls. With the next button, you move the queue forward with a single click. The next participant automatically takes the turn. Everything happens quickly and in an organized way. Did you make a mistake? No problem. With the undo button, you instantly return to the previous state of the queue. In the history section, you can see everything that happened: who sang, how many times, and the exact times. And the best part, with just one click, you can bring someone back into the queue without typing again. In the most sung section, you can quickly find the most popular songs from your events. Just click the YouTube icon, copy the link, and open it instantly. The Finish Event button is very important. When your karaoke ends, click Finish Event. This prevents your event from staying online for your followers. The Clear Queue and History button allows you to reset everything with a single click. Perfect for starting a new event or closing the current one. And finally, the queue. This is where everything happens. You can see in real time who is singing, who is next, and the full order of the queue. You have full control. You can edit names, move positions, or remove participants. Everything is simple, visual, and fast. With this solution, you turn your karaoke into a professional, organized, and much more enjoyable experience for everyone. Less time managing and more time enjoying the event.